Yeah, what's up guys? कैसे आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to the another video of my channel Discovery of Curiosity. So guys, in this video our topic is grey wolf versus snow leopard. So let's talk about the snow leopard first. The average weight of snow leopard is around 32 kg. The height of snow leopard is 0.9 meter. The average speed of snow leopard is 64 kmp. Its bite force is 387 newtons. It is carnivorous animal, of course. They are founded in mountainous regions of central and southern Asia, and also they are founded in India. They have the longest tail comparing to every other big cats. The size of snow leopard tail is 3.5 feet. It is carnivorous animal. Let's talk about grey wolf. The height of grey wolf is around 80 to 85 centimeter. Its weight is around 30 to 80 kg. Its average speed is 50 to 60 kmp. They are carnivorous animal. They are founded in Eurasia and North America. They majorly live in group of 4 to 9 grey wolves. Their group capacity is 30 grey wolf. They cannot not increase more than that members in their group. The bite force of grey wolf is 1779 newtons. Here the snow leopard have more chances to win because the snow leopard have more speed, agility, strength and thick skin that wolf can tear, but it would not do much effect to snow leopard, so the snow leopard have more chances to win in this battle.